right, guys, I'm so pumped to share with you two of my favorite sets, a bra and leggings. It is mix and match, my favorite bra and my favorite leggings, two sets from the new fall collection, the second set of the new fall collection. First, the leggings. They're high waist functional level up leggings. The bra is the burnt coral tie-dye dream crop bra for $55. So let's see what these are on. First of all, I just want to talk about the leggings because the leggings are amazing material. They're like pinstripes. When you look at them closely, it's like black and white stripes, and they are super, super comfy. I'm wearing a medium set of leggings and a medium bra. The back of the bra is amazing. The quality is out of this world. The colors are beautiful. And I'm not one to really step out of the box with designs, but I have loved the bra and the leggings that match, that are the burnt coral tie-dye dream set. They are beautiful. And look how these perform. They are fantastic. I can wear them the next size up. Oh, here we go. Another goodie. Okay, guys. This is the Elevate Pink Tank Top. The back is so beautiful. You guys will see that. It is $55. Look at the back. This top is perfect for running, for strength, for dancing, for anything, for going out with. I have it in teal. That is the size medium that you see on me. I actually have it in a size small, which is my typical size. So everything you guys are seeing that I say is medium, that's kind of like the size up for me. However, with leggings, for a more comfortable fit, the next size up is also good. So that's good news. So this was a favorite set of mine, the bra and the leggings. I just wanted to style it 3 ways for you guys and show how you can do that. Oh man, look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, new top, the Flower Divine Dory Jacket. This is in a small that I'm wearing. It's $115. It is the softest material for a jacket that I have felt, along with one of the other hoodies that we have. Okay, the mesh. This is a mesh embrace tank. It is $55. It has cap sleeves. It is super comfy. That is the size small that you see on me. So it is a little roomy, a little more roomier, like with the sleeves and such, versus other items that they sell that are, you know, the same size. Okay, putting away the jacket and getting into some yoga. So I have loved every single piece of this new collection for exercising. Everything has performed beautifully. There are some pieces that work better for running than others, but otherwise everything's awesome. We're gonna get to the next bra and leggings right after this. I'm excited to share my next favorites with you guys. Surely, here we go. Okay, new bra, new leggings. Oh yes. Once again, my favorites, mixing and matching, 3 ways to style these. Here we go. All right, you can wear them together. That is the Winwood Issa crop bra. It is $65. Look at the back of that. The material is super, super, super soft. The leggings, those are the Black Laser Arissa leggings. They are $95. Those are size medium. So like I said, if you size up, they're still super comfy. Okay, new top, the white Cynthia hoodie. It is $60. You can tie it on the side. It is great for going out with. It is great for running with, for doing exercise with. It is awesome. I have that hoodie in a variety of colors. And it is a fan favorite. Look how it performs. It doesn't go anywhere. Look at those leggings. They hug the body, they stay in place, they don't move, and those are the next size up. So I can even go with smalls, which I usually go with, and they're even more snug. Okay, the white ninja jacket. That is a new top as well. It's the laser cut / Stella tank, and that is $55. There we go. All right, some strength. So that top is a size small. It is loose to the fit. The material is super, super soft. The back, you'll see it has like an opening on the side so that the bra can show through with a beautiful bra. The back is shredded all the way down. So it's really unique. It's super comfy. It adds a trendy flair. Those leggings, check the design out. Oh my gosh, and the material is out of this world. I'm so happy that I got to share some of my new fall collection. And next is the workout. So with this workout, make sure that you put your own 5-minute low intensity warm up in. And also, I chose my favorite long top and leggings from the second part of the new fall collection. So it's a surprise as to what I chose. I did choose the size up from what I normally wear. So if you are interested in knowing sizing, usually I do wear a small, and I am wearing a medium in these two pieces, but yay, I love them. And the leggings that I'm wearing have a fabulous design and look flawless. They're the thick material that I absolutely love for exercising. It's just a great quality fabric. It's unique. I've never seen anything like it. It almost looks like cotton, but the color stays super good when washing, and it is extremely flattering because it hugs your body, it rises high, and it's just amazing to put with anything. The top is a long top. The back design is amazing. It goes right down the back, the middle of the back. The front is very flattering. It has a built-in bra, and the material is a very silky-like material, stretchy, and it feels wonderful. So I can't wait to share that with you guys. Enjoy the workout. I hope you love it. It is a Christmas workout. Have fun. Grab water when you need it, and just let loose. 2 claps high, 2 claps slow. Last time, grapevine, 2 taps. Repeat. Yes. We're gonna add some arms. You got it. More arms. Crossing the arms as we move across. 2 more times. And 4, 3, single, double step with scoop arms. Yes. V-step right slow. Cross the hands over the hips. Yes. Single, scoop. Double. Good work. V-step. Great. Swaying the hips. Here we go. Make sure that you've done your own warm-up before you do this dance. How far can you travel? Nice work. Last time. Scoot. Single. Beautiful V-step. Scoop it out. Yes. V-step. Good. All right, here we go. Double, single. All right, new move. Charleston kick and tap. Good. If you want, take it down. You don't have to take it down if you don't want to. 2 more. Switching, left kick and tap. You got it. Tap option on the ground. You got it. All right, I'm gonna need you guys to take out those jazz hands soon. Here we go. Now let's turn. Woo! We're gonna march 3 forward and 3 back. Keep moving those feet. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, tap and back. Good. Your option, adding arms. Yes. 2 more. We're gonna change it up. In 4, 3, show me heel digs with those arms face center. Good, now we've got 2 heels side to side. If you need to, ham curl option. 1 more, here we go. Heel dig, double heels. You got it. Whatever you need to do is great. Beautiful. All right, let's go the other way. Left foot leads and tap. When you're ready, add those arms. Do you want more intensity? You can add a jog. You got it last time. Heels. Turn it, turn it. Double heels. Yes, we're getting fit. Feels great. Show me those heels. Beautiful. All right, coming up, you guys get to let loose and just have a good time. Here we go. Just dance however you want. Come on. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night. Woo! We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Yes. All right, show me those heels. How much intensity can you bring? Good. Getting in that Christmas mood. Heels. Yes. Beautiful. All right. Let's change it up. Double scoop, double step. We're gonna change to singles in 4, 3 single steps. Show me that mistletoe. Put up that mistletoe. Woo. Where are you putting your mistletoe today? Now watch my change. Single, single, and then a double scoop. Single, single, mistletoe, double scoop. Yes. Good, good. All right, new move. Single kick, side. If you want, double it up. Now, hips. Show me some thrusts. 2 and 2. Yes, good. Speed skaters. If you need to, step, step, or take it to a hop. Good. All right, here we go. Put that mistletoe up. Lovely. 2 more times. Yes, yes. Back to our kicks. Double it up. Woo. Now, show me those hips. Thrust, thrust. Yes, speed skaters. You got it. This one, try to go a little further, side to side. This is a long chorus section. You can do this. 4 more. Double kicks. Yes. Keep it coming. All right. Now show me. Thrust, thrust. Woo. Shake, shake. Speed skates. Push yourselves. You have what it takes. All right, y'all, let's dance around that Christmas tree. Move however feels good to you. Yes, yes. All right, our next song, we're gonna teach you the move called the throw out. It's a little intense, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna take it to a rock, step, side chassé. Here we go. Rock, step, side chassé again for 2, and march. Rock, step, side, side, rock, step, side, side, march. Again. Now this one's hard. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Good. Let's do the feet shuffle. Just like 1, 2, 3. Yes, again. And march. Stay light on your feet. Stay on your toes. That'll help you move faster. Last time, last time. Good, all right. We're gonna kick it out, front. This is option 1. Option 2, we take out that bounce. Yes. Pick your option. Almost done. We're gonna switch sides. Right foot back. Rock, step, side chassé, and march. 2, repeat. Keep it coming. Keep moving, whatever you do. Last time. Kick it out. We're getting fitter. Our hearts are getting stronger. feels good. I want to see some of those feet shuffle soon. Here we go. What are those? 1, 2, 3. Again. Woo! Kick, kick. We're going to move this time. Face aside. Take it back. Yes. All right. Face center. Last time. Show me those jazz hands. Just like. Woo! Great job. We're gonna begin our last working song. It's a box step. Right foot crosses. Now we need room to move for this next one. We're gonna move to the right. So make sure you have plenty of room to move. Positions. On the toes, karaoke. 2 jacks. Karaoke left. Jacks, jacks, option 2. Move. You got it. So the hips point forward. Good, good. Now, 3/4 turn. Step, 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 and turn. Yes. Okay, karaoke. Jacks. You know it. Just let loose, have a good time. Move how you want to move. Yes, 3/4 turn. Step, step, step. Good, turn. We're gonna change our moves. Step right and tap. Good. Option adding arms. The foot that comes back, the arms follow. You know it. Last time, switch leading legs. And back. Good. Try to circle those legs if you can. Arm option. Broadway style. Last time, box step left. We're going right back where we started, karaoke. Okay, let's move. Karaoke, 2 jacks. You know it. This is our last working song. It's a short workout, so let's make the most of it. You got it. Keep it up. Hold these jacks. Good. Karaoke. Are your hips facing forward when you're doing those karaokes? Yes. Okay, jacks, jacks. Now, show me those Broadway steps. Dramatic and big. Beautiful job. We're gonna cool it down and then stretch it out. Keep moving those feet. Great work today. Hopefully you have something to drink nearby. Don't copy me. This is decaf coffee. Step, step. Trying to lower that heart rate. Step, tap. Good, march it out, arms up, arms down, shoulder roll. Again. Just cooling down our bodies. Heart rate is lowering, blood pressure is lowering, respiratory rate lowering, so we can stretch. Last time. Good. Show me some heel taps. Step right, heel left. Good. Chest stretch. Fists to the low back. Squeeze shoulders together in the back, the shoulder blades. Good. Stretching always feels so good. Release arms, good. Now the feet, let's tap them behind us. Toes are tapping, good. Bicep stretch, left hand forward, pull the fingertips down. Good. Switching hands. Getting ready for those holiday times. This music is awesome. Release those arms. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this any time of the year. Anytime you want a nice little pick-me-up, some fun dancing, a pumpkin spice latte, you know. Good, all right, march it. So hopefully you're starting to breathe more normal again. If you're not quite there, no problem. Keep moving around until you're not huffing and puffing and the heart isn't beating super fast in your chest. Then we can move into our static stretches. All right, right foot behind us, right heel drops. And lifting the right heel, hip shift forward, sinking body down, right arm up and rotate. And releasing arms, stepping right foot forward. Feet are hip distance apart. Inhaling, arms up. Exhaling, folding. Knees slightly bent. If you feel comfortable to fold completely, you can do so. Another option is fingertips at shins. Great. Rolling up vertebrae by vertebrae. Inhaling, arms up. Exhaling, left foot behind us. Left heel drops toward the floor. Thank you for joining me today for this workout. So our activewear is fabulous. In case you haven't heard of it or tried it out, lift the left heel, hips come forward, sink down, rotating left arm up, rotate toward right knee. Like I said, these pieces I fell in love with when I saw them and felt them. Amazing, I highly recommend them. We do have them on our website. Like I said, I did size up for this for my normal size. You can also, get your normal size that we have small, medium, large. Releasing, untwisting the body. Releasing, arms stepping forward. Marching it out, facing forward. Let's do some lower body stretching. So you can hold a wall if you want for stability. Hand reaches behind, grabbing shoe knees together. Hips pressed forward. Standing legs slightly bent. I highly recommend just trying a piece or a couple pieces. The matching bras and leggings are just priceless together. I have had a lot of activewear in life. Go ahead and release. I've used a lot for working out, and these pieces do not disappoint. They perform, they are beautiful for going out with, and they're beautiful for lounging around with. My husband loves when I wear it. We've got so many options, especially with our new collection. It's not on our website yet. By the way, let's turn and switch sides for quadricep stretch. So we don't have the new collection on our website just yet, but I'm so happy to talk with you, show you all of the pieces that we have, and talk to you about fit. I have all the pieces in-house, and so I've seen everything. I've seen the fabrics, seen the fit and everything. So I'd love to talk to you. I know the holidays are coming. Glute stretch. I know the holidays are coming. This is a great time for gifts or to gift yourself. And by sticking with Dance Corps, you are shopping small business, and I appreciate your business so much. All right, let's shake out any stress you have left in your body. One deep inhalation, lift tall. Exhale, give yourself a bow and an applause. Great job, stick around. I'm going to go through more pieces of activewear and show you guys all of the rest of our new fall collection. All right, so let's kick back and look at more of the rest of the fall collection. So you guys saw these, I wore them, I picked them as my favorites to showcase to you during the workout for this video. Laser Arissa leggings and Laser Arissa tank, they're on our website. These next leggings are not on our website, they're $75, the Level Up leggings. And you guys saw also the Flower Divine jacket. Here are the leggings that match in the bra top. All of these are on our website. These sets are also on our website. The material is out of this world. It is super soft. You will love the leggings. You will love the top. These leggings are a little sexy, little see-through, great material. There's the jacket that I wore. The leggings that match the burnt coral tie-dye dream bra are lovely. You can see those. And I love that hoodie. That hoodie is my favorite. Here are more pieces that we sell, all part of the new collection. The teal zip up, super, super, super soft. This is a favorite too. Beautiful bra, beautiful colors. The leggings are fantastic quality. It is a great set. They're also in shorts. The bodysuit, the jumpsuit, it's a camo print. It's a subtle camo print. It's fantastic quality. I highly recommend it. I love those pants. They are my go-to comfy pants for life. I cannot say enough good things about them. And this set was my all-time favorite activewear set in my life. The leggings are lace, the top is lace, the back of the bra is amazing. I hope you guys will check this out. Thank you for supporting Dance Corps.